Good morning. Hey queens. What's up? Every time I stand here and I'm like, look, and then I'm like, oh. But anyways, hi, welcome to today's video. I just got out of the shower. That is why I look like an egg. Today's video, we are doing a college week in my life. Today is actually Tuesday. So it's my first week of school, and normally I would start this on Monday, but I have like a tradition kind of that I vlog that day separately. So we're gonna finish the week off, but if you guys want to see Monday, like my very first day of school, I'll link it down below. But I still have other classes that I haven't been to yet. This is still the first week of school for me, so I still am like stressed about everything, about like existing. I actually don't have classes on Tuesdays or Fridays. So today's Tuesday. I started off by going to the gym. I worked out and then I showered. My hair, I brushed it, but like, why does it look like this? I have so much I need to do today. It's 11 o'clock and I'm like, I don't have enough time to do anything. It's a daily thing for me. I have my weekly to-do list, and then on my iPad, can't see it. My iPad, I have my daily to-do list. Also still in my pajamas. Also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I just got out of the shower and I feel like I'm sweating. Does anyone else do that? Well, not do that, because it's not really my choice to sweat, but feel that way. I've listened to Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo, like, I'm not kidding, at least like, this is not me kidding, like 30 times today, because when I was working out, I just kept playing it on repeat, and then I kept playing it in the car. I'm happy, like, I'm not even sad. I just like the song. I feel like whenever I'm happy, I like torture myself by listening to sad music, and I'm like, oh, maybe I am sad. I don't know. Wait, I need to add something to my to-do. Got 100. Yay. I have this assignment that's 0 points, and I'm like, do I need to do it if it's 0 points? Now I'm getting paranoid that he put it in wrong and that it's actually worth points, so I'm like, I might as well do it, but then I'm like, am I gonna do this every single week and it's not gonna be worth it? I don't know. I'm overthinking it. I'm really overthinking it, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna do it. I just don't want to, but I am. This is my least favorite time this semester, when I have to buy the book and I'm like, do I actually need it? This stuff is due before class starts, so I don't actually know if I need the book, because sometimes they like, you know, you don't really need it. I feel like I should probably buy it though. My professor wrote this book, kind of cool though. Just did the quiz that I was terrified to do, and honestly, I was justified that I was terrified to do. I had 8 minutes for 5 questions. I mean, like, I finished in time, but I was still like stressing. You know when you have like a timer? Like, I could probably have done that in 2 minutes, but because there was a timer, I was like shaking. I'll show you guys what I did. I'm kind of confused. This is another one of those classes where like there's assignments and one of them says don't turn in. So I was like, low-key, do I need to do it? But since it's the first week, I'm like, I might as well see how it goes, because if I do need to show it in class or something, that would be really bad if I didn't do it. These were my notes. Yes, notes. And then this is my assignment. So I had this assignment, and then I had 2 of these assignments. You can tell by my handwriting that I was just like over it. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I take notes on my iPad or like what app I use, I just did a video on it, so I'll link it down below. I always get questions and I'm always like, just watch the video. Like, I'm done with everything. I don't know. I'm actually done with all my school stuff for the rest of the week, besides going to no, wait, no, I'm not. I do one more thing, but I don't want to do it today. But I'm going to edit some YouTube stuff.
Take this inventory off my hands. I'll give it to you for a very low price. The supplier A is really kind of concerned about the holding. Happy
Wednesday. I had class. What is this piece of hair? I had class and then I went to the gym after. Now we're back. I still have like sweat on my mustache. I need water. I got some packages and I wanted to unbox them. I really need to do laundry today. Scissors. I have 3 and I don't know what all 3 of them. One might be for sponsorship. Huh? Do you ever like see who sends you a package and you're like, who is this? I know this one's Amazon. I think this is what I think it is. Another box. Yeah. I bought a tripod for my phone. I take Instagram photos by myself 9 times out of 10, I feel like now. And it's just so hard propping it on things and having it fall. So I bought a little tripod. Guess nothing's in it. Excited to try it out. Who's Jose? Someone named Jose sent me something. Thank you, Jose. I'm gonna stab myself with this. Oh my gosh. Go to the emergency room trying to open this package from Jose. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. This is for a sponsorship. I remember I bought something, but I don't exactly remember what it was. But I remember I was like, no, I deserve this. Like this, like I should get this for myself. Oh. It's a to-do list. Should I use it today? I got a daily to-do list because my iPad, I use that for a daily to-do list, and sometimes I just forget to look at it. Then I don't know. I was like, I deserve this. So I'm gonna fill it out. I'm kind of excited. I'm waiting for this class to start. Please tell me I'm on mute. Oh, thank God. And then I'm filling out my to-do list for the next few days. I have my weekly to-do list, which is just kind of like vague, and I wanted to be more specific for the next couple days. You guys, my class before this, I was just like laying down waiting for the class to start. Like I was 20 minutes early and I had the Zoom link ready and I was just like laying down. I fell asleep. I woke up in a pile of drool 15 minutes into the class, and my computer had like fallen asleep, so my Zoom wasn't connected. So I got there 15 minutes late because I had accidentally fallen asleep. That explains today. I'm really tired. It doesn't make sense because I wake up later on days that I have classes than I do on days that I don't, because I would normally work out on days I don't have classes. But I'm like, why am I so much more? I guess it's because I fell asleep like 1 a.m. That probably makes sense. Happy Thursday, you guys. So right now I'm in my car. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm about to go to a doctor to get some, like, I can't remember if it's x-rays or ultrasounds or both. I don't know. But if you guys remember, I talked about this in a past vlog. I have some like medical mystery thing wrong with me. No doctor has been figuring out. So I've been going to I went to a specialist once for like a consultation, but I'm getting some labs done to see if there's anything wrong with me internally. Kind of stressed about it. That's gonna be so fun. I had to wake up early for it. I could not sleep last night because I was so stressed. That's what we got going. And the place that I'm going to is pretty far away, so that's kind of annoying. I just finished editing my video for Friday, so I need to do the thumbnail and all that stuff. And then I made lunch because I was super hungry. It looks so gross. It's chicken with my stir fry that I made earlier this week, and then I topped it with soyaki, which is like a teriyaki marinade from Trader Joe's. I have class in about 4 hours, and then I told a friend that I would help them get their car because they like left their car somewhere, so they need someone to drive them to get that. And yeah, so I think I might just do YouTube stuff until then. I was gonna start working ahead and working on assignments for next week for my classes, but they have them locked until Monday, which is really annoying. That's something we're gonna have to deal with this semester, that I can't work ahead, but it's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna start doing my upload, thumbnail, stuff like that, and eat my lunch.
You take some of the good, you take some of the bad. You take them both, and there you have back supply. I've only created and I actually content for my portion.
Happy Friday. I just got home. I worked out. I need a shower. I'm like dripping in sweat still. It's like probably really unsanitary. Yeah, I just worked out, and then I don't really have much to do today. I might edit my video for Monday. I uploaded Friday's video, which was Amazon product, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. But I love responding to your comments. It's my favorite part of the day, especially recently. Just the vibes have been so good. I love you guys. Thanks for being you. Thanks for always commenting really nice things and making my day every day. I love you. I'm gonna shower because my boobs are so sweaty right now and I just like can't handle it. I hope that you guys like this video. Literally for the rest of the day I just watched TV and did my laundry. I didn't do anything that I was setting out to do. So today's Sunday, and now today's the day that I actually have to do all the stuff that I procrastinated. But it's okay because I feel like you can't push yourself too much or else you're not going to want to do anything. You need to take time to relax and take breaks. People are always saying like that I'm so productive, but trust me, as you saw, I have days where I did nothing besides watch YouTube and Netflix, and that's okay. But anyways, I love you guys so much. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.